Yep, if you're at Whitman and look in the mirror and say my name 3 times, I appear.
I guess you're not filming.
It's a Schindler.
It's just a Schindler.
Yeah, you win. Go ahead.
Average Schindler HT VR.
The only cool thing about this is the reclaimed wood floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, if this thing can hurry up.
No, it goes slower down than it does up.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, look, dumb waiter.
Okay.
I try it every time. I used to know someone that works here.
Did you just take the stairs?
Yeah, I think he did. You need those?
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
No, no big deal. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Don't wait much. He's gonna beat us.
Well, he's already up there. If he's not, he's got a bigger problem. This thing's certainly seen its wear and tear in the now 12th year. There he is.
Oh, now you're here to join us. Welcome to society.
Oh, we're still not joining you. A video requires a full trip.
Distorted C32D.
Yep.
Yeah.
And this is from that really short, weird fucking period where Schindler did this panel shit.
Oh.
I hate this. It looked even worse if it was HT standard.
Certain I've seen that a couple times on standard.
I don't know, like,
premium.
I guess the techs like it because it's easier to open it. I don't know. They never had a problem opening that before. You know why I do that, right?
Yeah, full second.
Yep.
HT trick.
Full seconds on 338. You just have to do it on an MT.
Yeah.
I find myself doing it on like Otis's, and I'm like, what's that gonna do? We can end up here because they're up here.
Yeah. Yes, obviously we got our lovely floor.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
The point of it is not to look good. It's to look like an Urban Outfitters.
Yeah, I like that. See, neat.
Here we are.
You met him on live stream? You're just talking.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.